family. Love me.
It's Albert on the beat.
Man them mark.
Can see it's Mohammed again. Okay, guys, as you all know, there is no more to say about this food. This is okra soup and ogbono mix, and the recipe is out. Just go check out the recipe and then make yours the way you want.
DJ Mohammed.
I'm not going to wait for.
Commonly known as Justice STO Koboko Elias.
Keep quiet.
You know, this one has swallow part 2.
So, yes, so you imagine.
If you are married, my wife they cook like this, we'll never quarrel.
Now get top from the.
Even though you people that they do this challenge online, they swallow.
How do we hear of this?
It may know.
Okay.
That one thing that you've done that you're very, very proud of. Oh God, like whenever you look around and you say, God, I'm proud of this. From the day I make this decision, from the day I did it, I'm very proud of this.
Now the day when they born my pikin and my daughter.
Your daughter.
And I'm making now.
So that's the most.
Editing. I regret even putting money in this. I regret making this decision. I regret this day of this particular thing was that.
About your life!
That's the young generation of the world.
That's not batting.
So my advice to every African, in fact the whole world. They say that how I chop now stockfish. Waiting with this one.
Some are dry fish. For Gambia here.
Yes, and school don't swear say they're not going near each other.
And your babe they cook am for you and they swallow. That's true though.
I don't sabi with
Eat.
that. That's my Juliet.
You know, say once I host you for my video, you're coming to eat. You know that. It's not for me, it's for you. Some of them.
The man we admire.
You want me now to come cast my ex-boyfriend name here?
When you grow up as a woman, the man we admire, what you mean?
As a woman, okay. But we are not blood related. It's just, but yeah, we kind of see each other like siblings, but then we are not siblings. Hello. So I was 13 years old when I fell in love for the first time, but just fall in love or nothing more.
Nobody know how to.
Yes, and school don't swear say they're not going near each other.
It's more, the recipe have more impact on this video. So the recipe is out. You're going to see it together, tag together, and the full one. So you just same on my channel, you get the recipe in my same channel. So as you know, your girl Mimi, period, again, like
Press that button.
subscribe.
Now our sister all over Africa.
Now,
We not support ourselves.
We have to support
Nobody knows
ourselves.
support also.
Please
You say I did not teach you all these things.
subscribe, like, share.
If you know say I don't know how to swallow, please write down under the comments. Watch this one before the rabbit video. Look at you see him.
Guys, look at this, guys. Oh, you're not going to eat all guys, you guys are amazing. Wow.
You say I did not teach you all these things.
Be sincere.
All Nigeria food I don't eat, now this one I like much.
Oh, very nice, yummy. It's done the recipe video. So guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Bye guys. I love you guys. As you know, I'm loyal and I always send my
吃饭了，
吃饭了。
这是你一根啊，你一根，我两根，我饿。
拿把蒜再帮我来呗。
哎呀， 好了。
哎呦我的妈！
不是，我吃面条。
你很好心，你天天套路我，我才不相信呢。给你买米饭，我吃面条，
你不后悔？
不后悔。你还有饭呢。
那行。
哎，不行。
哎呀，真有梅菜扣肉哎！
那不能吃了吗？
不你管。
你别笑。给我一口来。
不然，当然是你不吃。